My name is Greg Kuhns, and I'm the owner of the property where the furnace sits. This property with the furnace on it came into my family about 75 years ago. At one time, there were many such stone-stacked furnaces throughout Kentucky and the eastern United States. After ceasing operations, these furnaces were usually dismantled for the stones. My family elected to preserve this one despite numerous requests for the stones. Now, through the efforts of Mr. Larry Kitterman and his son Larry Jr. to preserve and protect the structure, the vision of Mr. David Strange of the Bullitt County History Museum, the county judge executive Jerry Summers, and Bullitt County Parks Director Kim Foster, this historic landmark will be preserved. I encourage you to take a minute and visit the park for a moment in Kentucky's early settlement manufacturing industry.